Question 46, find all the values in this range here. Now remember, using that rule, sine squared plus cos squared is 1. This time sine theta there, right? That can't change. You change everything in terms of sine. So let's get cos squared theta. Let's get rid of that. So take that over. So you can replace cos squared with this. So sub it in. You've got 7 sine squared theta minus sine theta equals 3 then. 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay. Multiply all that out, get it onto one side, you'll get 10 sine squared theta minus sine theta minus 3 equals 0. Okay, once you then factorize, go through all that process, you should end up with 2 sine theta plus 1, and then 5 sine theta minus 3 equals 0. Okay, and then you say either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So sine theta equals minus a half, or sine theta equals 3/5. So then sine to the minus 1 of minus a half. Okay, work that out in your calculator. It actually comes out as minus 30. Okay, sine to the minus 1 of 3/5. Work that out in your calculator. It actually comes out as 36.9. So draw your sine graph. Okay. Now I would go to minus 90 actually, because you've got 30 there, minus 30 as a result. So let's go to minus 90. Okay, so mark these values in: 90, 180, 270, 360, minus 90. Okay, so we've got our sine graph is 1 there, isn't it? And then take it down to minus 1. So what is equal to minus a half? Well, minus a half is about there. It's minus a half. There's your minus 30 degrees. That result we won't include, because remember it said in the question it's got to be between 0 and 360, so we won't include that, but we will use it to help us work out what these are. So if there's 30 across there, it'll be 30 across here, so theta will be 180 plus 30, and there it'll be 360 minus 30. So theta will be 210 or 330. And then the other solution there, 3/5, which is about here, say for instance. So you get your two results there, 36.9. And then that will be 180 minus 36.9. So theta will be 36.9, or that will be 143.1. Those are your solutions for part A. Okay, now for part B, again, notice here now, it says here in the range 0 to 180. So I prefer to write this like this. Okay. And then notice it gets adjusted, it's not x, and it's 3x minus 20. So you need to adjust that scale. 3x then times it by 3. Times that by 3 you get 540. Times 0 by 3 you get 0. And then take away 20. So if I take away 20 from that you get 520. Take away 20 from that you get minus 20. Okay, so quite a wide scale there. Okay, equals 1.28. So tan to the minus 1 of 1.28. Let's get my calculator out, and that comes to be 52 degrees exactly. Okay, now yeah, when you do this, you know, minus 20, you might as well go to minus 90, and then that you might as well go to 540. Okay, when you're drawing that. So let's see if we can get this fitted on here. Okay, so be careful here with my scale to make sure it all fits on. Maybe I'll go every 2. Represents 90. Okay, that'll do it, and then we're back there. Now remember, with the tan graph, every 90 degrees there's an every 180 degrees there's an asymptote. So when you type in tan 90, it'll say math error, because it doesn't exist. So there's an asymptote there to show it goes to infinity. There's one at 270 as well, and there's one at 450. and then you 540 there, going up 90s, that's 360, that's 180, that's 0, and there's also 1 then at tan minus 90. So draw in your tan graph. Okay, so it doesn't actually get to the asymptote. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. Now 1.28 is 52 degrees, so I'm not sure where 1.28 is here, because the tan graph, you know, it does go off to infinity, but 52 degrees I'd say is about there, so 1.28 is about there. So I'll draw my line across there for the whole of my graph. So there's my 52 there at 1.28. Okay, and then you just got to look at where else it cuts the curve, this line. So we've got it there, and we've got it there, and I think that's it. So you've got 52 there. Now remember, when you put your solution, you're not going to say x, you're going to say this, right? Because that's the scale we're working on. 3x minus 20 is 52. And then this one then will be 180 plus 52. And this one then will be 360 plus 52. So 3x minus 20 is 52. That's 232. And that then is 412. Okay, so to get our solutions then, take that minus 20 over. So take away, no, if you take the minus 20 over, it becomes a plus 20. So you add 20 on. And then don't forget then to divide by 3. So you get 24. Divide that by 3. You get 84. Okay, and divide this then by 3 using your calculator, you get 144. Now you need to check then, do all my solutions lie within the range they want? They wanted between 0 and 180, and all of those do, so tick the box and job done.